In this question, the principle given is that of murder, and the explanation says that for committing a murder, a person takes a first active step towards the commission of crime. Then it will be called murder. Mere intention would not be sufficient to commit the murder. In the facts, Madhuresh has been arrested for rape of a juvenile. So there's a huge uproar against him in the media. One night, a group of policemen they enter his lock-up room and mercilessly beat him up with their lathis until he falls unconscious. Now, when he's taken to the hospital, he's pronounced dead on arrival. So can the policemen be held liable? Yes, the policemen can be held liable because they knew that their act is so dangerous that in all probability, it might cause the death of the person, and they took the first active step when they started beating him up with the lathis. So it's clear that their act had caused the death of Madhuresh. So the correct answer would be option C. D cannot be the answer because we do not have a clear, it's not clear from the facts that whether the policeman had the intention from the start or not. So this is not clear, we cannot derive it from the facts. Hence D cannot be the answer. The correct answer would be option C.